Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to disable Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 easily. So let's get started. So first step is open the start menu and search for settings. Tap to open settings. Now the second step is click on apps, then select default apps. Now the third step is choose another browser like Google Chrome or any other and click on it and click on set default. Now step 4 is open Microsoft Edge. Now click on three dots at the top right, scroll down, then select settings and click on system and performance. Under this click on startup boost. So firstly you can turn it off startup boost, and also you can, the fifth step is also turn off continue running background extension app when Edge is closed. Now seventh step is open task manager. Just simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Now click on Startup Apps. Here you will see MS Edge. Right click on it. Now click on Disable. Here you will see it will disabled successfully. Done. Microsoft Edge is now disabled on Windows 11. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.